bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. In a bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
She said no, 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 no.
In a bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
She said
in a bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. In a bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man I tell her me she go low. Bad man I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No, 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 no.
In a bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
She say
in a bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you really your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you trippin', let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
No, 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 no.
In a bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
She say
in a bad man, mash up the place. 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 Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
Original bad
man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
I am back, and this is the style right here that I came up with, and this is Mslula. So yes, look at this hair, honey. Yes. So y'all see where it hits me at? Hits me all the way down there, and yes, this is the style. I love this hair. I told y'all I was gonna come and I was gonna rock this wig, right? My camera had cut off while I was in the midst of recording, so I do apologize. But yes, this is the style right here. While I was curling it, she curls really good. I wanted to show y'all little bits and pieces of it. I also wanted to let y'all know that she curls really, really, really good. And I combed it out a whole lot, y'all, because I didn't want it to be tight curls. I wanted to just be nice and flowy curls. So that's what I wanted. I love this. I don't think I'm going to change anything about it. I love the style. I love the color. So maybe in the future I'll probably change it. I know I asked you guys to help me out, but I'm not going to change her. And my lipstick is gone. So I'm not going to change anything actually, and I don't believe I even put any setting spray on my face. But yes, this is Mslula's hair. Y'all get your hands on it. She's doing a 40% back to school sale, and also you get $20 off of any purchase $179 or more dollars. This wig is worth it, guys. I'm telling you, this wig is so sweet, so beautiful. I am going out and I am going to rock this wig. You know, I'm going to rock this wig, honey. Look at this. I mean, my son, I said, how you think it looks? He said, Ma, you look like a diva. I'm like, oh, honey, thank you so very much. Thank you. But that's what he said, that I look like a diva. So, yes, I think I do. What y'all think? Anyway, my camera's going to cut off, so I'm going to say be blessed and not stressed it already, instead of saying it later, because I don't know when it cuts off. It just cuts off, but I'm going to try to drain the battery for a little bit. So this is Mslula's hair. She gives to you 4 rods. You get the bobby pins with it. She gives you a cap. I didn't use that cap today, but I did use my Escher. Is it Escher? Escher firm today. The reason why I use the firm is because I have another company that I have to do a video on, and I don't want to have the hair so down with, so I can't get it off like really quickly. So I use the firm instead of the absolute. So this hair is just y'all, what what, y'all better stop playing with me. Y'all already know what I'm about to say. This thing is juicy, baby, juicy, drive me crazy. I like that sexiness right there that she gives you. Now when I go out later on, I'm gonna kind of like tease her up so she could be up more, because I want it to be really big. When I go out, I like my hair to be really big and really fluffy, and yes, but she is, what? Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna get out of here rambling, but I'm telling you, this hair is, she is sweet. She is sweet, and I'm so glad I chose the right one. I really did chose the right one. So I'm knocking stuff down, y'all. But anyway, my next video is going to be on about the giveaway, so y'all stay tuned for that, because there is a giveaway. Okay, okay, be blessed and not stressed, and J Baby is signing off. Oh, don't forget to hit that Taco Bell, y'all. Double smash it, triple smash it, do whatever you have to do. It's going to be on your right. If you're looking straight at your camera, I mean straight at your phone, or straight at whatever device you use, it's going to be on your right. Also, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. To all my newbies, welcome to the J Babies family. To all of my family has already been here, stuck with me all the way to the end. Hey, hi, boos. I love you. Okay, y'all. So, like, share, hit Mslula wig up, Mslula hair wig up, because this is the Brazilian silky straight hair, and it's in silver gray, and it is beautiful. I don't know what else to say about it. It's just beautiful. Y'all be blessed and not stressing. J Baby is signing off. All right, bye bye.